Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'omugusi.
Tengia umwancho murigereri yetariki isano isato cyo mutinyo gatano na kabiri umwaka no betu ibere na meronke ibere nene nuko yena munari kure uri abere ritero kima na mono kwa bere go kwego kya asoko bwate mirobere ya Ndizi TV na Bwansu Bw'omugusi
nagiye ko gira sentunde ndetonyera ko batokomera na asembe kirenga ekene no kweneke ngatonyera ko batogo kumanyanyarire ko bagagwa tikakurwa kite woikira chinga kibune chichinga kitoko batarana amo na bariki baitoba mangana na manga to kwaligalire kolendo mwancho murigeria tonyorega gatiyali to kwaligalire tia senchira yobwenge
nali kaba abayirase abantu batayizindi ndi kaba yenda chinasi asengenjo engaje yere mumbe nyinge ujiro
Umugavana we county ya Nyamirambo Kimwami Nyaribo koriye ira yo gusira amagendero imeye county ya Yohana na Sensemo yo bacenu
I, Jamil Shamji, do swear that I shall always, truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office as a member of the Kisii Municipality Board.
Abakoriye mirima se body municipality ya Kisii gotiani wabene rigo chako bokoreria centre ye moyo kugorora umuchi obosongo.
We are officially declaring that our strike has come to an end and our members shall resume duty.
Aba clinical officers kubekese iko irane meremo magega yoko baso mugiro asegeka kyamatuke merongo kyanda na kyanda. Ayo mnaenda mango mwancho murigerito kwargania centre ya bene menye Jumatatu ense ya merito kumanye abuna to kwargania tia centre ere yobekiranu asense moya Facebook na bakugendera gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital.
Wetera wigo ase omtandao YouTube Ndizi TV News ya website yetu ya www.ndizitv.net. Rito kubatanera kwene kiabuna gochire wetera somuno wemanyiro ligakoro kwa Lydia Moseli na ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi.
Iretrene Evelyn Osera sana mamanyinero kwene kiachibichenero gicha wekera centra ya beneto kwargano beko gosanka 90 komero.
Emanye Jumatatu ensa ya mwancho murigira niko togoye chaka kurase county ya Kisii maiga yogo chorwa kwabo bisa barachiko bagotenera municipality ya Kisii. Litikolya lero nigo omojega boko batiania bo bisa bwibanyara ko bago chakemeremo yabo bene unyara ko bago kwene kigwase amaga choitisi yanyara ko bago ikerwa mu mugabano be county ya Kisii posi mbarati
ago kona chinga kecho arati ningateba buna nigo barachikubeke mirobere mekranu yo kwene kiabuna obokorera boro buyabwa beri bokwene kiwase municipality ya Kisii anena soko ene kiabuna ebango yabereke gosangirirwa asenchera ewerete eri koreta amagendero ase county yiga
muliki oito milele de momanyi na nyara ko bago ikirana somo yego ina gusanga mwanto robotiro kubatia.
I, George Nkova, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve.
Nenga kiyo gochianigwa kwamba koli emeremo batano na babere ase body municipality ya Kisii asomorobere yo okarekana ase ketiki ya Gusii Stadium yekoragwa no mugavana we county ya Kisii Simba Arati ase bono abasaba gochia kobwaterana elyo kwene kyabuna omochi obosongo ngochia kororekana ole buya gochia butyoke magenderero.
Well, Kisii Municipality for a body in here, I think we're going to two people. A town yeto, or say municipality yeto, ibate na wodi ya Kiogoro, Obaracho, Kisii Central, Yetieko, Kisii Kitutu Central, na buyaku ward. Tutende torosi services to chingire. Uta sama twetu. Amata toki tipara torosiwe. Chichiro chitorosiwe. Board enya lewate libaga yabene. To make sure a municipality yabene more. A municipality get more. County yabene.
Nigo omugavana aina kebuna engana yeubi imeyomo chobosongo necheguika omwalyo enga kibono banyolire chimashini echichira chegosia eubi iyo asibasaba ebodi gochia kuligereria buna omuchobosongo toliko chokobana mochando oyolinde
Each municipality comment chese NCA to Kenya. Tuanyore mashini oje kurusi ochafu ya separate masaka chituba ayala makosi obuwe mashine milioni 189 kuweka ase itubeko kuswe program ebodi mu wanje totana na municipality kilichos ke mashine iko bikweka DTC parosike sewa problem iko maimuti mtunyare konyora na chimashini cha serikali ningasiwa kwa etauni tuwe ningasiwa wasira watu
ase chinga kecho nigo abasaba bali bonsi baunereretie chindimero cha serikali guchira ni asoko gendelia serikali ye county Bosio
abantu baroro etauni na tebe able without fear or favor lazima mufisi for once ikiara olete ule koros ni mokoros nyambira mati na sabantu ayo tutukale igaitura abantu agacho abantu aragere kibereki ndai kwa sababu kiboro wali aragere kibereki na ndo mali na marosi kitai ko kitai kimai eto kwa sababu ya bwana leo usoke mora wote asali torosi no endelebe pack
Onsi kianda nigo abolia serikali gotinya obolendi na kwene kiabuna oboibimbuli gochia kogendera enga kibono ebikole byobosalia amono oboibigendete kwene kiwa imeye county ya Kisii.
I want to call upon the security operators. We are not going to sit back. See people, our people that we are representing, being killed by criminals. It's either you are working ama wende mahali kazi hapa hakuna. Kwa hivyo mwe tayari lazima tuhakikishe kwamba kuleta security imekuwa mzuri katika kaunti yetu.
Ngoripotelea egetaseni Kiandizi TV alietaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Biamono omoliki oito Mildred Momanyi asoroboti urwa senchira yoboikerano ime county Nyamira nigo omugavana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribanyara koba wikirana asomaiga boko yigora bene eskuru yobobunde ya Nyamwange yohera chikobage kwene kenyanyare kobage gosira bana kubase county yirinde banyara koba kwenyorera amaigelyo yobobundia
nigo nyariba berega kulira yo kwene kebuna nachi gosira ebirengo byekisemiane na se county ya Nyamira eskuru yo nigo yabage kwigorwa emyaka ebere ya etire ne amateyemo yo ibne na senchire yemo yo korokoboko gosekwira ni okoboko gochia se kenyoro aseboigo baba kwerera egati yemerobere babwate yo kwene kebuna eskuru yo yabereye gegosirwa asimono baba kubwatoka chibese chire chishinge achiribu chimibere na 50 echo chirabe chigosira emerobere aho naboigo aborokiwa aseskuru yege tamkiro kyabage kogokerwa nabanke
umuliki oito Paul Kapokara nanyara koba wikirana somaiga oyo na gotwarganira batyo kobatia
na somojiga bokwigora beneskurega yobubunde ya Nyamwange yugotukeme yekenyoreke kya mecho ime ye wadi ya Esise ye bunge yega burabu yigwikiranwamo no mugavana we county Nyamira Moske Amos Kimominyalibo
ya Kenya ya America
eskure yiga eyo yayigoletwe emyaka ebere ya etire nigo yayigoletwe korengana monekerenga kya mateyega ya Nyamwange elyo komusikomo wa Nyamwange asaba semetie kwene kibunangwire nyabali halibe somire ocha segesaku nago twerera na Joseph Nyamwange oyu olemo president munene weskuru yiga.
Our legacy is the same. They've been praying for you guys, caring for you guys just as much as I have. And if we are going to achieve what God wants from us, we have to understand that we need each other.
Nesukuru ekorwa megeri bene ayo akwenda no moli wa masomo yekiare kiama kianyaiga yubu yamanyekanite na CBC into kolengana muno mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira musike Amos Kimomenya libo asegetire aboroki wakorwa se county ya Nyamira kwene kibunangwe bwatani baramunechi sukuru cyobobundia eligwe konya samatuko alebosyo
abantu baito barabakobo omontago jobisi ukobori omwane gazi wako matekara mwile training goli yacho ale kozi yayi wana wateba kara mwana kwa busa ngata to mwana ya buze ibako mwile kozi ila mafanya asimono iga abantu batigire karo ile kozi na maana university abantu batigire university baje baza vocational training
nigo boigo babwatani bande bekirina saje igana na ubanje tegisemi batogia egetambo kereke igage sukuru ye asebatebire nigo kira konya abana ili kwegenderera na gosegeta abana kwibwatanya mune cisukuru cyobobundia.
You must keep well, study, use, read the whole thing, do the best work you can do.
We are working closely with the ministry and elsewhere. I'm happy, Mr. Majola, you talked about the CPC, and that is the animal in the house. And we all have a responsibility of ensuring that it succeeds.
Okwana bwekere kyo mugavana we county ni gatebiruna nigo badigete guchunyara kwa bakubwatrana amone skuru yiga elikwene kibinango tambe yebale bokali bwabo cha savana elikwenyorera ayega onsi.
Kwa manyega aziyoko boko. Ekorokobe engineer gurare instruction engineer already know what the basics. Kamuranja bantu baito. Tawo takabana wenu wabuze ekorobe atobo baraso luwe igendo kera makonya. We have come far. Let's stand together. Those from USA, thank you for coming. This is your home.
Omwele oye mugavana we county ya Nyamira musike Amos Kimomenya libo nigalire iranga na chikunyara kwabaga kubwatoke basarigo cyase omurubiri bwo gosomya abana kurase county ya Nyamira aboli tukolia ankyo oyo orachikunyara kabago kwera chishilingi chimilioni 52 eriko bakonya abana abaigaba ngaini kurase chinge chiga kitari kwenyara.
Tomorrow we are giving about 70 million to less privileged students across the Nyamira county. Tomorrow. You may ask why in Chianyoro. Legimeza Gorwa, Riasaruto Raro Chianyoro.
Iginko ripoti rigetaseni kia wanjete kia ndize TV kurugi Gaston Semechi gache wadi ya sise imeye bunge jiga ya borabu imeye county ya Nyamira inche konguruko Polycarp. Okara.
Kimona sana omuliki oito Polycarp Okara Evelyn onyene ya mate ya nyarete kwa baigo chake skuru yobo bundi. Abeminete ngabantu mbaro wagwe tomeri kwene kianga ebinyoro byanyare kwa bigo kina sensemo yekiseme.
Kinigo kirege tambukireki ya kegima ase obusira abana gekogera tuskuru icho bundi amisi ko ruchaki wegento ngeri na tewe buna cyabere kigokonya muno. Abana bantu babere bawo konyeka asoko nyorera oboseme bwichingenjo au amego kwenyorera mirimo.
Sekretari na yari ngegari ngabange baboroki wabanyara kwa bagwe soke na kweli kiri banyara kwa bakogendra amone chisemi chiabo ime county ya Kisii nigo ya mate yomugaka Francis Onyego abasani amona bayiri banyarakoba bagochengera anene omoyega bwoko mwariganinga maiga yoko basobokorera ubunyanimba se myaka 35 nebere nyareko begweta
ano murobero bako korekana ase kinyoro kyanyoero hiyo kutoka sewadi ya nyako ibungi ya kitutu chache South asabangi babako motogia asimere memiya ejabere kagokora anabego muchango mane nabere gakurwa ko cyase ekinyoro kyo nakumusabera maya cinga kyari kirenga ase omutumuko notani go baragendere gusirana ase okoene kyabunama yabere kagokorekana ase ensemeyo
roboti urwa senchira ya yabo imeto nyarako batokomera muno muri kito dipanasanya
ekere no muchakano nkere no moelio maega jogo kole mirimo ya serikali asiga ke myaka 35 nebere buno munyanyimbo omugaka Francis Onyego nigairanire asomotimo ko bwesa bali entambe omuyega oba kugoikeranwa nabange
aseke vuye komuyego lero atabire ngambu yamo nase bali bonse baicha kongo ebisio nya kugendera kinabere isiko chingaki chonsi nabere isiko aseka sia police challenges chiro chinyinge lakini yasawa baire omubui asekera lingana na ekolire bona akire isika Kenya saa aba mananchi ne jamii yane akira tokora ngendereo okora amaya kujya sare ne natosisenie kere ngentonge bwate omwanso ange bwate omwari oye tali egasi yoka omuntu ora akora omaye komenya kiga ne kinyingo omuntu ora akora na akire sika iganda akore abantu bane baragere na ngenda agere omonyene
umuganda oba kuwikirana asomuyego ywe nigo bamotogi omugaka Francis kobo muntu mwekeya nabo igo asogotwara obwa matobuya nabamwabo
Jene Reverend Nemweri Mugaka Onderi pastor bono iga matangamano PAG Assembly onyego nimo maite buno umuntu disciplined humble man and responsible asegasi yae buna akolire iga ngonko mwariga nigo chanka buno mwana one kwanza andi buno mubastoye elinde akorere omonene akerago tiga amangana ali arenge ye force ajiche mangana yega humbleness yo korera nyasaye kurua soko nyara kwae na soboke bwae
chinga kecho boigo omongino etatigiri magega asamwetogeria koba nomokia wokubwaterana na kubalenda bune amateyemo
asamarieta nkoro ku Dorika Onyego nanche nkomoironeri nyasaye ngambia mono asokoironeria amasaba nari gusaba matuka mange akonyo mugaka na kore gasi yaye buya nanda mane nyasaye onkoreire igo amane nyasaye nkoirania ramasaba na nkomoironeri mugaka ne biya mona kerare ngese gasi atolendire buya aka tukabwaterana tukasomia abana baito
komenta nawe abana bae boigo nigo baba bakogokera omuroberi ywe asebate bangobeire esire nene asebare anene asokwenekia nga banyorire obwene bwabo.
Namshukuru Mungu kwa huu umbali ambao ameleta baba yangu. Tunasema ni asante. Mungu amzidishie maisha marefu na pia amuongeze nguvu. For all the sacrifices that he had made ndio tufike hapa, tunampea asante sana.
Imekuwa safari ndefu kwake. 37 years down the line. Na Mungu amemuonekania. Niko na furaha na I'll just say congratulations to my dad.
And I'm so proud of my dad. Hizo miaka zote amekuwa na sisi, fight for us. Hatujai kosa anything. Tunashukuru kabisa. Mungu aendelee kumpatia maisha. Pia sisi tukuje pia tuafurahi.
Pia namshukuru maana alinipatia motisha ya kuweza kujiunga na kikosi ya polisi. Nami pia nimefuata mkondo wake na naomba Mungu pia nami niweze kufika retirement yangu kama yeye.
Ginko ripoteria gataseni kia onambe ya Mokiandizi TV kurwa seke nyuru kia nyoero ikigutuke meye wodi ya Nyakoe ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South litria nenkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Biamono muliki oito Dipon Asanya ime ya constituency ya Nyaribari Masabe ward ya ichoni maiga ya omwana bweskuru kwerusia obogima kubatekana no konywa esumu wono nigo abarai a kurwase ward ya ichoni bagenda ko bagweso kina kwena na gusira kwa bene ochia ase enka eyogatia bokwenekia una enke iyo yanyarire ko bage kwagachwa na boigo chinyomba gotoka elindemero bilio ya amatange nyara ko baikogendera
Hanyana bonigo nyagusiro yabetka gutiga omwana omoke magega asabara yabo baganirie obutkiwe mego korekana asuba ngo keima anu mukagerwa oyo betka kwirera omunyeroko yo konywa esumo ogwekiwa bosio gweke gambero asobwa ngo airio eyamate konyora obwene niga abantu bokuganyo kuyano nyana bagenderete wesokya na kwene kiabuna baruro gusira kwa bene kuchiase eyamate yekero bagenderete korwa engora yabo orboti urwa so wimekegimani otwarigane numurikito Vincent Onyancha.
Nechinsa chamambia toge nsemo ya mabuko ewodi ya ichuni ebunga Nyaribari Masaba imeye kaunti ya Kisii. aigani gotokwarigani ase meroberio genderete kobekwa nene busi boguchuko mwenia omwana yo munyaruka bweskuru oyo bakagosirwa mabwaya kubwatekana no kwerusio bogima aso konywe sumo ena boni yagotebekana buna igenyate kwerusio bogima aso konyara goitwa no mugambi bwensemeje ryanyare kwira ne skuru igento keretere kwerusio mwana gotiga maegari uko magega jamo kweli kone kiwase sublocation ya mabuko asense moye chuni chinga kicho mwishimiwa matoke ngati ya baribali banyare kurobo konyi asense meye
bono ugo kumbingo linga egwikiri ya era gona achitega igatugikaransa ne family no mwana yo no arenge tugateba twagache ennyumba agaiga na kwanite no musani ito ndo mwana bwekenyo bwenka bwekenyore kigakia ichuni ward umosike Charles chwe matoke ngamote mu chinure gaiga obwate okugania okonene litangani natoete ebikoroto kero mwana areko ande school engamotebia twagache nyumba mushimi gwaganja konyuntumire na achirega igatwabekire nyumba ekirama amobati konyatigaire na kuoma bona kero naende twachitugunga omukongo wabera sumujiyoiga etwachire rero naende twachire kubeke nyumba ya mabati
ana boni iga mutiga maiga omwana omusinini uyobore ndi bwaje burarokana ko babokongu
abana aba batigara bo yo mito mali mbatagete baende school omwana oyo sira nande na tigo omwana omukobwa bwato omwaka oyomo natagete ndagera kuli so nale gusaba ng'abantu bamintu twesokie abarai baito tochorete igongo sabanga na inumoche tubwaterane
chinga kicho mu MC bwegodi yega amono mu DCC ni kubanyara koroto tokoro kwa postmortem asenchira yoko gania banyare konyora oboine bwabo
metembea sublocation ya Mabuko sublocation baada ya kutokea kisa ambako mwanafunzi wa shule ya Abogeche aliweza kufa. DCIO amepokea hiyo evidence, tutaenda kufanya upelelezi.
Nigo chinga kicho mu MC bwegode yegamo na bara ibande banyare wesokya asoko nyara kurwo obokonyi bwabo bunenchere mo yo kunyara goikerania obokoreri
banga kunyature evidence isaine erinde oyo kagere gokora mangana agosikore tere mangana ya kanyara kana gakoba iyo romo chief ochoru munyibwe sublocation ya Mabuko enyara kane korrekana nga ubwatu nando ubekirwe asenjire ikigambero erinde at end of the day family egenyara konyora obusubori gosobwene bwabo
ngakechu wanyara kuboria bara ibande konyara wesoke bunenchere mo yo konyara gosire nkeye ekero keli bagenderete koliga chinchere cyo gosira omwana omoke uyo tigareta maega ya gosira konyara kwerusia obugima asinchere cyo botuzukanu nigo obotukeme bagenderete kurwa sensemo y'abanyanyimbo na bokolengana n'abayiboli banyagosira nigo banyarire konyobolia serikali kone kibuna koraborobotiku baimeri konyara konyoro bwene bwabo onyamaga yo kwagachurwe nyumbani go baratigare babwateme chandeme na soko nyara gosiro mwanobo no nabo nigo batogirie igetambukiro kyabaraye asoko genderera kubasira
maleta fenike muntu makanja atiumari jansire mwana boira na liyo musimi wa toke ngambi yamon nyaro mwana tarasiri na bangi to kono sire nyamba na konyara bun facing kwa linga yamana suku na gonsi ya kungaega bismi hoga na imane kwa linga yamana imba to machanda ni ndwali kwa nyara kwa na mngono matukosi mwana na tukuru no masini
chinga kya yonse agenrete ni go mugambyo kerente kolgyo kumoito mwana yo yerete konyara kurusyo bogima ni gatangire ekero kulyo botkwime bogenrete gokorekana ine diboli ndribuna ninki kira korekana maiga yobotuki gokorwa andake obotuki bogokoru no bwaki ekerokeria gatebekana buna no mugambi omoitete omwana yekagera korusyo bogima onse kyanda ikomine buna enkeye nenyoro bwene bwabo Vincent Onyancha Ndizi TV
Biamono omurikyo ito Vincent Onyancha toligereria lyagera tukaba korekana iskoro ngoru agusima igayo kobao kumugiro bono wetania amatuke merongo kianda yaba clinical officer imense ya Kenya litukolia lero nigo obotenenerwe kiombe kyo kyaba clinical banyara kobaba kobekese yogo chaka obokoreri obuya adagose chaka obokoreri bokwirana emeremo engana yanyara kobayo ikanigwa amana barai ao
nigo mo robiri bagokora wane kiombe kyaba governor kora no munyakero go yotenete e committee iyobo chenu ase kiombe kyaba governor ibegoro mugavana be county ya Tharaka Nithi Mdomi Njuki asekeria abatenene korwa se kiombe kyaba clinical clinical officers babiri babatayabunayaniga gocha magega yo gukora ebikaro na gwikera ukwiwana buna magani yabo naci gwikirani wakorengana na George Giboro yorumurike omune nasekyombe kyo kyaba clinical officers nigo baraciye gochaka emirimo yabo rimoryoka asekeria tayire buna magani yabo naci gwikirani wana koyoboria aba clinical officers kweneke burango kirani bale bokorerwabo asenchera ebwenerete.
We began our strike on 1st of April after 7 days strike notice, which was issued on 25th of March. And we have been on strike until today. We're now today, by virtue of signing this return to work, we are officially declaring that our strike has come to an end, and our members shall resume duty in their respective place of work starting today and not later than 24 hours from the date herein. We want to ask the Council of Governors that we, the clinical officer, are your complement, not your enemy. We can work together to better the service of our people and to ensure, for us when we are there, we are only asking for accountability or for enhancement of the existing laws. And we want to allow us that space and we are workers together because we know there are things that we can do better.
We have really seen commitment from the Council of Governors. But from the Ministry of Health and the people who should actually be showing leadership, we have seen lack of it. And we have not seen that commitment. So the strike continues on the side of the Ministry of Health because there are issues that we have not been able to agree. We do not have a return to work agreement there. But for the Council of Governors, I think today is the last day of our strike. And I believe that we'll be able to cordially agree on all the issues. And I really hope that going forward, we'll be able to work together so that we do not have these kind of strikes.
On the issue that has been spoken by the chair, on the issue of the medical cover for staff, honestly, the Council of Governors has done very well, the 47 counties. Because out of the 47, only 7 counties are in the process of ensuring that all the health workers are onboarded on some medical scheme that is actually allowable by law.
Chingaki echecho nigo omo gavana uyo mutho minju kibeganyale ko bakuboria abakenya bagendere ko babakwerikia se omoroberio omoya bwo kwenyorera obubwenia osha buna enchira eyemo yokwenekinga abakenya bange banyere ko bagoswa se omoroberio yo
njuki nigabaga kwegerera omoroberio yo na kogania aba clinical officers ko basumustaro mutubuko segeta abakenya akwenekia buna nkweri kyabarerio gukonyeka asokonyora obokoreri obwenia asenchira ereyo bwororo askirene kyabuna no moroberio rengete gokonya abakenya na tali moroberio orengete ko bwakana ebanko ani go abaga kwenekia buna serikali chechi county nigo cherwete kigima asoko enekia buna ebrenko byobo chenu byabere bigukiniwa.
We are moving into a critical stage in our medical insurance scheme where we are bringing to an end the NHIF and we are bringing in the SHIF and the SHA. Currently there is registration of all the Kenyans to be onboarded on SHA or move from NHIF to SHA. And currently we have experienced a bit of resistance in a few places where our people out there think that the registration that is being done to onboard them is a form of taxing them. And I want to use this platform to ask our people out there to please enlist yourself with the new scheme of medical services, that is the social health insurance, because the NHIF that you've been using is soon going to be a thing of the past. And it is now upon the clinic officers who are here today, represented by the leadership, our other health workers, all the way including what we used to call the CHVs, now they call CHP, to educate our people and inform them that they are not registering for SHA to be taxed, but instead to be onboarded on a scheme that can enable them to be treated whenever they go to every hospital. That is very critical, and we're hoping that the medical the clinical officers will please help our people to onboard our wananchi, because we need that program to succeed.
But counties are trying. Counties are trying. Even in spite of the challenges of funding, there are counties that are still recruiting healthcare workers to try and take services to the periphery and to do a lot more.
Bono nigo ewizara y'obosombi yenere kobage gochaka umuroburi bwo gusangireria ebirengerero kurwa ase aba Kenya ase bwanyare kobage kubika umuroburi bwo kwenege banyare koba komenta rigori mabuta ase shilingi 52
Gukwana tinga kyeche nigo muwaziri w'obosombi Kipchumba Murkomen abereka gukwana bunani go bagenderete kuri ya entira iyo kwene kyabuna obwagachi bw'ekipara bwabere bwo gwikiraniwa ase entira ebwenerte asikira terena ninga nabarachi kuligere no jeneri gorilla maftali go komenta asoko ene kyabuna egurubenene terigo kyako ene kiwa asaba Kenya.
Across the country, and the citizens of this country are demanding roads and demanding services, and they are saying go and raise money. They're also saying that you must find money, but they are saying find it in a manner that you are not going to transfer greater burden to us. So as I said in the meeting, it's for us to go and think and ask ourselves, how do you manage to raise this levy without transferring greater burden to the people of Kenya?
Given the economic situations currently, you just stay, let the increase be stayed, not implemented. And also our biggest concern was, is it, why the backlog? Is it a question of the quality of infrastructure that is currently being developed?
If you look at Mbagathi Road, it has been of good quality. Why can't we look at the people or search for the people who constructed Mbagathi Road and copy them to other sectors or to other roads so that we...
Avali numanyete asomo kubyoyo ninde nagosembelanga county ya Kisii na ile guchikobage kwarigania chigo sori kiria chia region anene Sorogongoro wa Nyanza yokorwa sensemo ye chigo sori intoganyete amange amona Victor Sultan mwancho morira na otowekera ase omotimoko omotangani ngakitoranyara kwa batoko sensemo ya kabere studio
Gatramanyara Victor Sultan yobanga tumenye muri nara ya twariganiretie imeye manye chigo sori ngikabete kwene kwasi weekend yiga eriyo tobe to kwiwa amange kura sensemo ye chigo sori to basoskai
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ng'ambiya muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubiriyo yaitu yonsi chinsemero ngeberelenge bono onye kendegia korekanire aseke nyorukiao ekiotageto tumanye asubwango mono abwonda isi veke nambeye asese miao enoti isano na ibere inya isato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo erioto akere n'abasaki baito baikasure na kubekora uboti ubwo asembeo emesa ya mangana maya ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwabekire simu yao ime Ndizi TV ubwenso bw'omugusi nigo bono yakonikiru ndekerene negokorentera chibiche chinkia na bwigo chinkeno nukukigima na bwogo tonyora asorogonko bwogusi neji county chito etanaine buna county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechisemo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora aside kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs Scania TV yao na boigo onchore irio yao igoiko yenyore Ndizi TV nigo turinikirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi Ndizi TV obwensu bw'omugusi Ndizi TV obwensu bw'omugusi
abasaye ba Gen Z barenge kuimokia ebendera yense ya Kenya ime yegeti kia uhuru eliokorwanera libaga ligiya ase serikali gose oburayo buya nigo Musubati Faith Kipyegon arenge kuirukia ebendera yo asensemo ya Paris samamnyoko Diamond League Marathon abaso Musubati Faith Kipyegon abunete rekodi ya yumwako eta asokobeka eredokodi enya Kipyegon nigo amnyogete asiteka isato chi sekondi 49 na chi microsecond nye chi sekondi isano bosio wa eligi gose rekodi abika ase omwaka oeta na kwenekia erekodi nya kukwana nabalike mangana chinga kekyo Kipyegon nigatebere buna nigo alenge kwyarigania bosio bwa manyako gose Olympics cha Paris echechira che kwenekiwa omwaka oyo gumwancho murigeria kokwarigania ase emanye chigosori kumanyinara lya yankwarigaretie imme na isko yorgongo rogusi so ikenko manyeli teriane Victor Sultan wanyaye manye chigosori to chake kurwa segeti kya Gusii Stadium abwasumo mu governor bwe county ya Kisii Simbarati ya Nekiringa egetie kyonki aliganitie bwekerani obwosio bwe chigosori chiskuru secondary echicho cyako yanekigwa asichinsemo ao imiye county ya Kisii ekeiga egatie bitie byaliganirie bwosio bwe chigosori echo ngamone egetie kyo kya Gusii Stadium abo egetie kya abamura kya skuru ya mura ya Kisii School abo ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho.
Next week, we are hosting, this weekend, we are hosting what? Regional sports, secondary schools, then national, August. We're going to make sure this field again is back to operation. Hii turn track, ikiwa machini, huyu mwana alikuja akaweka mchanga juu, akaweka karani, akaweka hiyo kitu turn track, huwa hapa amechimba akatoa the great soil. Hiyo kitu ilikuwa imechipuka kila mahali. But we're going to make sure the interior wall is being completed probably this week. Hapo kule will factor in the supplementary definitely ambayo tutakuwa nayo mwezi wa 9.
Murigiria chigosori chiche skuru secondary nigo chigo cha Kavene litukolia Jumatano na intuna egetasinikia Ndizi TV ntogende tukobeka emirobiri ya Vene elio toene kinga osito chikoende kinga no chikoya nyora eyema seyemo nyora chigosori chiche skuru secondary ase region ya Nyanza yo ebwate ange chi county isano neyemo ndo chikoende kinga ayo agocheire eyema seyemo weterasi getasinikia Ndizi TV Captain 001 ya ondenga emirobiri nigo ere underway gutigana nayo tosoe ase chiligi cha FKF timu ya Babaracho FC ya soire bene ase ligi ya Regional League emaiga yoko baikora timu ya Etierio chigelinye ase rigeresegero ase ligi ya Kisii County League yo erocho moyo no nyanabo Babaracho nigo bagosoa ase Regional Leagues chingaki ligi ya Kisii County League eliretiego chiakoba ogoika omwelio onoro mugoko enegetigwe maiga ya barabwo kobwa egosoriyo chiligi cha KPL na National Super League timu ya Sofapaka nigaligatie gokiria gosekorimia matumaini ya timu ya Naivas gosoa se ligi ya KPL na semo ya KPL playoffs abwa se maiga yugo kora se libagalia gatatu na point 50 bere naisano neye mo timu ya Naivas yugo ya kwenye kosoria se ligi ya National Super League ni wala kosoria ni timu ya Sofapaka ya kora se libagalia gatano na limo yirwanrete kuri gotigara ase ligi ya sekosoria yo Sofapaka nigo bayebuete timu ya Naivas tigore mo ase ligi na segero asabana mukocha we timu iyo anakiringa asikonyore draw ase kosoria kubwatia achiko anakia gotigara ase ligi yo ya Kenya Premier League.
Ndemi Kigan Mieno nini Byron Ochenga anapiga hatari bado amesimama vizuri mlinda lango Wycliffe.
Walikuwa wanaona labda kuna kitu kinaweza katokea wakati huo anaingia Kalama ajaza cross namna gani anatuliza ile mali pata bao hapa
Jacob Onyango
tumecreate chance pia tujafunga na kuna moment ilikuwa kidogo lazima tulikuwa wachezaji wangu walikuwa carried away na game moment unafopige pasi ya kwenda mbele ama kupiga mpira ushoot bado anataka kufanya vitu kidogo zisema za urembo nadhani ndio zimechangia sawa tukose kufunga but kuna mali pa kurekebisha ndio turekebisha game forward tujaribu kuimprove na tupate bao juu the main problem yote imekuwa score chance umecreate na tuja convert hata moja ndani kiangalia timu yangu muda mrefu sana zaidi ya mechi 7 sasa hii ndio sijai kukosa kufunga.
Total game ilikuwa hata tuko tunakuja kushinda tulikuwa tuna come for a draw because we were away so tumepata point moja kwetu it's a plus na hatuko juu manake bado there is still more 90 minutes to play. Hajacheza vibaya na pia hajacheza vizuri because kuna vitu alikuwa anafaa afanye hajafanya but pia first half tukiona vile tumecheza bila Jacob pia tulipata clear chances so hatukuweza kuscore so ilikuwa tu ni moments za game moment yake ya game imekuja akaweza kuutilize hiyo chance. Already now in the KPL because the second match nilikuwa nakuja kudraw hii nimeshinda second match nilikuwa nataka kushinda sasa naenda kudraw I don't need a win at home.
Yombe ya FKF ya chakirie bene ligi ya FKF Youth League se ligi ya bana abwatani akorwa se ensemo ye chigosori nigo bago kerege tambokire kyo nagotabuna tambokire kyonge chikokonya ense ya Kenya na bago chiligi chense ya Kenya ukina mono chingaki abana bakeba koegerwa igoro yenkoyo na kubwata masoma yo chingaki bagukina ochiase chiligi chinene.
Nashukuru FKF kwa kuangalia hiyo talent yetu tunanecha hapa kwa hii ground. So tukiendelea hivyo at least watu wakigrow kwa background fit wakicheza hizi ma games za watu wakiwa wadogo kwa ligi zetu za hizi kubwa kubwa kama Division 1 ma county nini zitakuwa na watu wanajua ball. Sasa hizi kama vile FKF inaleta youth league kwa watu future FKF itakuwa mahali papoa sana. Na football Kenya itagrow sana juu unapata mtu akifika pale anacheza top level ashamaliziwa kila kitu hapa kwa grassroots.
Because this is what football is all about. And I think with this we can easily look for sponsors so that it can look more beautiful. So it will help us a lot to develop the skills and the youth for the nearest future. Kenya is a beautiful country and you can see the way we did in that recent COSAFA, we played perfectly. So I think it starts from here. And I know in the nearest future, it's not even, future is even here. And Kenya football is going faster about that.
Once we grow football in the lower levels, the more football in the upper levels will also grow. And because the kids are the future professional players in the national team or in the professional leagues, even in our country. Once you nurture the kids in the lower levels in the right way, you will get the talents you need and you will nurture them the way you need. Even when they get to the national levels, they are already equipped with whatever they needed in the lower levels. The growth of our Kenyan soccer, I think, is going in the right direction since you can see there's a clear picture in the and even in the under 13 and in the under 17. That's why we have our girls going to the World Cup. It's because of how we nurture talents in the sub counties.
Wanchumbulia nara yona kwari ganete korwa semesa yemanye chigosori ensa eyemongo kiranga mbiamono sokoira chinse chao ko yarigelia kurendete gangitere bali bagenda to turigelia sense mo ya Facebook at Ndizi TV News Digital. Jeria Kerubo otebonga from Manama Barin Kingdom goika inka Kisii County yuko ndani korwa Ngeri Township following ayokoro kunga Sidi Nyakush. Dolphin Kemunto Moenga oteba following live. Surgeon John Kelvin otebanga David Onsongo Nyangaresi akomarangelia watch live from Engoto God T. Okay, I'm in up to the end of the news. Kutoka Susera Nyaliwa Masaba niko ndani ya kunga Fred Nyandieka mwosio mambia mano se wikirana na uspoira chinsi chao kulika ujumbe ya umwanchumulirenta ite ntambukie umupirwe wika sense mintangani ya studio Yusuf Tamisi na Ibdino Sero wayakore sensa ayamo ilitania nengoro kwa Victor Sultano Wangibu na Butambe ipo siku tuzidishe niana jalali halali.
Imono sana Victor Sultan ase emanye chigo sori maete efarishafe liagoteba ningende toko ginkwegiria mono kigima wiki ya etana tebe sementangani rero yenya sanga njire ni seme ninteberia kabere ende na njenya ko ba member
Muriya uno to ikomerio we manye Jumatatu sema sentre wikano amange tumera nishikora gachinsa isato bere tukumenya sentra ire yubikano
Olito veterana nera kwene kiabu nago cherwetera somo no be manyero liga koro kwa Lydia Moselia ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi
Veterane Evelino Sero Sara momanyero ne kiabu na chibichinero gichawe kira sentra bene korenda semero bere sensemo ya Facebook gendera gotonyaro veterana Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube gotonyaro veterana Ndizi TV News
na we veterana se website ya www.ndizitv.net na boko bwatia aya mana yanda mange to kwaliganetie ime Ndizi TV
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomugusi Omurigireria bwe television ya Ndizi